What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Educated Barfly. Today we're going to be making a resolution buck. This is a non-alcoholic cocktail, and I figured that we should start doing a few non-alcoholic cocktails. A, because people have been asking for it, but B, because it's, I'm sure a lot of you guys are working on your resolutions or decided to quit drinking for a month, but you still want to go at the bar and you still want to hang out with your friends and you want to just be drinking a Coke, so you can, drink something a little bit more interesting, something like a cocktail, kind of cocktail facing, but with no alcohol in it. Also, I got my nice hot gold Barfly shaken set and Hawthorne strainer just to ring in the new year with a little je ne sais quoi. Anyway, let's get into it. First thing we're going to do is just take a little bit of fresh mint, a few sprigs, put some leaves at the bottom of our tin. Then we're going to do 1 ounce of ginger syrup and 1 ounce of lime juice. And then we're just going to lightly muddle them. You want to muddle it to express the oil, but you don't want to really shred the mint too much, because the mint is going to shred when you shake anyway. And we're going to add our ice. And shake. Now, I decided, there you are. I decided to cut an ice spear so that we can make this nice and kind of gussied up. Now, you can double strain this if you want. I tend not to double strain it because I like to have all the little pieces, but I close the gate so that you only get a little bit of those mint pieces because you don't want big pieces of mint clogging up your straw. Just do that, and then we're just gonna get some cold ginger beer. I like to use Fever Tree because it's nice and ginger forward. And we're just gonna top it up. It's going to foam a little bit from the ginger. Then lightly crush these leaves. Express the mint oil, which actually, I gotta say that I have found that lightly crushing them with your hands actually expresses the oil a little better than slapping it on your hand. So, and then just add it right in there. And there you have it, my friends. The resolution buck. So you don't have to break that resolution. You can still go out for cocktails with your friends. Let's taste it. I mean, super gingery, which is nice because you know what? You could still get the flu. It's still kind of flu season. It's just nice and ginger forward. It's got that lime juice. You got that mint in there. So it's like, complicated enough to say, I mean, this could have gin in it. And you would never, and you would be just as satisfied as drinking it this way. So there you have it, guys. The non-alcoholic cocktail. The first one that Barfly has done, the resolution buck.